trà.
Nhỏ đây.
Không lấy nước đâu. Sáng ăn phở mà không có ai ăn nổi. Ở nhà đã tại nãy ăn nhiều rồi. Thấy cái sức của nó ăn là biết rồi.
Upper house, guys.
Yeah, that's why they're not sit in front.
Why is the car in front of us so flat? Why is the car in front of us so flat?
It's I don't know.
As you sit in front, you.
No, I want to write in
Opera house is in front. See, opera house is in front.
I can't see it.
I see it. That's bad luck. Sit the back, see nothing.
Let me get my camera.
Later, when you go there, you can take your photo. No worry.
Yes.
Okay. Not now.
We're gonna show Mom the photo, and she'll be so happy.
Not now. Not time for you.
Nah.
We go to.
Oh, there's so pretty waters over there. But this camera can't really pick it up because it's super far away.
Look at that water.
I know, it looks so pretty. It's close.
We will go to another side.
Look at the grass.
Nothing.
Grass is just grass.
It's just grass. You see grass everywhere. We saw grass the whole way when we got here.
What's it like grass?
In 200 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Oh? Sit over
100
here?
meters. Yeah. Right
To your right.
Opera house here?
No, look to your right.
It is right here.
Opera house here?
Oh my god. Oh my
That's where we're
See,
parking.
there it is. There it is. The
Oh,
opera house.
The opera house.
Hey, I sat on the steps.
Goodness
We
gracious.
sat on the steps.
You have arrived.
We have to go now. No way parking here. Oh my god. We
Oh, yeah, I forgot. There's a yacht there. There's a deluxe yacht there, bro.
Oh, the bridge is right there too. That's so pretty.
Public
behind it,
parking.
there's a look.
Okay, we got parking here. We pay money and we
Okay.
go there.
Guys, I'm so excited.
We have to enjoy. No worry about money.
Wilson.
Wilson.
Wilson. Go this way.
This is the opera house parking.
Oh my
Yes.
god, this is
It costs a lot of money, but whatever.
my claustrophobia too.
You can turn it off now. Turn off.
Look how big it is. This is our first time experience. In a long time. So, for me, it is because I don't have a single memory about this. No.
You understand? There's a difference. You know what I mean?
Where is that? Go now here first. We'll see where start. Let's start up there. There.
Oh my god. I'm sick like a now.
Okay.
It's hot in here. Every day.
Here, it'll take us up. You guys three only see the hot photo two at time. Better.
Shut up! You can stand here.
See? You want to talk? You want to talk for this one on? You can talk.
What is this? What is this? It does not look like a microphone, though. What is this? What is this? Oh. Steven! That, what the? Huh?
Okay, guys. You want to go up there now?
How? How's that thing even floating anyway? How's that thing even floating? Look at it, it's still packed. Get over here. Sit down here. Take a jacket. I shouldn't mind. It's not a picture of me. Sit properly. Let's go, man. See this way? Can you take a photo for us? She sucks at taking photos. Ooh, this camera's cool. Hi, how's it going? Hey, you scared it! You scared it!
Okay, talk something.
Let's go this way.
Phone addicted.
Phone addicted.
Keep this one away.
Yeah, agreed.
I have 2 minute bags on. You know this one?
I got a speaker.
You got a speaker.
Oh my god, pigeon! Oh my god!
Yeah, it's just a pigeon.
It's cute though. It's cute.
See, anh up there, people walking in there. See that?
Yeah?
I'm at top.
Yeah. There's a lot of people there.
Yeah, you have to pay first to go down.
But I'm scared of that. I'm gonna chip.
No, they have tie you. West side.
Look, they're on boats. They. Yee. Opera House.
Is it right here? Who's standing up there?
I'm gonna read this. That's so cool. I'm just wearing Jennifer's bag for her. I'm wearing Jennifer's bag for her since she has
We
2
didn't
bags.
bring our hats.
Oh yeah. Should have brought them. Super hot, right?
I don't know if you remember, but once we sat on those steps and took a picture.
I don't really know. We never have. I never had.
We went.
I don't have a memory. I don't have a memory of it. Oh, sorry.
That's all right. You go up
I did not know that. It's because there was shade there and I wanted to go in the shade. Eh. Look inside there.
You can go inside.
I'm not sure if we're allowed to though. Let's go.
Shady area.
Make sure you don't step on bird poop. What's that coming down? Look over there.
Bomb.
It's a meteorite. Then what is it? Where's Jennifer? Oh, there. Look.
I think we need to get further away. We can't see the full of it.
I'm being careful with the mini fuzzy microphone. Oh, no.
Talking about
So big. I thought it was so small. I wonder what's inside. What's inside?
Jennifer again.
I don't know. Oh, there she is. Again.
Oh, she's there.
Do not climb on angled panels.
Don't climb on them, babe.
I went. If it's...
Or will you?
Hey. Look, the glass is on the side here instead of straight.
You take a photo for us? Right there.
I can take a photo.
That's so blind.
Yeah.
How do I take a photo? Where's the photo button? Where's the photo button? Here we go. No.
So this button is the take photo,
Yep.
and you look through this hole. This hole.
To make the photo.
Yeah.
Okay.
You stand here. Stand here. You move back.
Back.
No, you stand here. You stand here.
Move closer. Spotting.
What you doing? There's people behind
See like supermodel.
you. You're standing like.
Yay.
I'll shake it.
You don't have enough food.
Shake, shake, shake.
No, I'm gonna get me more.
Oh damn.
She gave me 20 pack.
Oh, it's
Shake it.
expensive. It's like $100
$100. It's like
The film for the whole already.
$5 for one.
You got. I could give you a couple.
Can you see it? Oh, you're
Let's
standing.
walk around.
Let's go around. We're getting closer to the city harbour. But this fence is blocking off everything. This is part of this opera house as well. The way it's shaped looks so weird. The way the opera house is shaped.
I literally don't know what it's called.
I want to go on a boat.
Is it even fully developed?
That's off it.
That's not fully developed.
No.
Can I take it?
And
Put it
then,
in here. And then put it in here.
and then my turn to shake it.
Let's get it there.
Yep, let's go.
Let's take a photo of the water.
There's a glare in the picture.
Okay. You dumbass.
Bruh. Wait, what glare? What glare? Let me see.
It's in the corner, see?
Oh,
Hey, you stand there.
Hey!
what the?
You stand there.
Hey, what's this ceiling?
Wait, I think we should make a photo of like one of us doing like this.
You want to go to the boat or not?
Boat?
The boat, yes.
Yay, boat!
We pay for the boat, they go round,
Hey.
round and come back. Yes?
What the? Why is that boat so big? Where's that one going?
Is still white in this picture?
That's...
Yeah, we have to buy the ticket. We buy the ticket and we go, this took about 1 hour.
It's still white in the picture, Em.
Do you want to come or not?
I'm gonna take a photo of the.
Okay.
See where they can go around there, you see.
Now you go down there then.
Go around there, go to another side. Oh, I'm looking for the guy sell the... Nobody got station or somewhere to sell the ticket. Maybe a run there. You see, run they got a...
These two.
When they got a little house there, I think they sell ticket there.
Ah, okay.
They drive around there and we'll come back, okay? Let's go.
Well, where will we get a sailboat anyway?
Huh?
Where will we get a sailboat?
Get what?
A boat.
Boat. You go there. Ask them. Get a ticket first. And we come there. Wait for the boss come.
Hmm.
Then tell us when the boss come.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Boat, boat.
Go to
Boat, 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 boat. We should have brought hats.
Why don't we just go there? No, let's go.
Why not ask him? Ask someone.
Let's ask people on the borders. Let's go. Ask people on the borders. says VIP water taxi, you say? VIP. It says next ride at 11. She, what's the time? 13 minutes.
How much for one person?
85 for an adult, 49 for a child. I don't know.
They adult or child? I don't know.
How old?
No. 12. And that one, how old are you?
13. Yeah.
Okay, so 3 child and 1 adult.
Yeah. So, and that's going out now, 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
And you do twists and you do spins.
Oh yeah, no kidding. Okay, this is
Do you have a strap for that?
Let's run now.
You won't be able to take it then.
Why?
Because if you let go of it and it hits somebody in the head, you're going to hurt somebody.
All right.
It's going quite fast.